relationship of wave theory and Fibonacci. So if we go look at this example that I had drawn out, I want to talk about the Fibonacci because Fibonacci is very interesting. We can use Fibonacci to calculate both the future length of price movement. So if we are very confident in regards to identifying a motive wave and we want to get involved in the direction of this new trend, we can use Fibonacci to calculate how far the correction may come. And once we're in the correction, we can use Fibonacci extensions to calculate and forecast what potential target may be, right? So you'll tend to see that within wave theory and Fibonacci, there are certain relationships. Let's look at this big wave over here, right? This bigger wave in red, this 5-wave sequence in red of the higher degree. Let's look at this one, right? So if we start to look at the relationship between these waves and Fibonacci, you're going to start seeing patterns. Let's start that again. So we'll start from here. So on a Fibonacci wave extension tool, you map out wave 1 and bring it to wave 2. So I've done it from the beginning of wave 1 to the top of wave 1 and to the bottom at the extreme level of wave 2. And so when you mark those 3 points on the Fibonacci extension, you can clearly see here that I've mapped out certain Fibonacci levels. Now, this is a 100% extension of the move. So this is the 100%, this is the equal length of wave 1 is at this point here, right? And this is another Fibonacci level. This is 127% of this wave 1 and 2 and 61.8. Now, if you identify this as wave 1 and you identify this as wave 2 and you decide that you want to go long, you can use the Fibonacci extension tool to calculate potential targets, right? Once you've identified this as wave 1 and 2, and you manage to get in somewhere either here at wave 2 or within this the lower degree wave 1, 2, 3. So when you see wave 1 break structure, you wait for 3 waves A, B, and C. You get in C here, then you want to ideally target and try and get at the most extreme, which would be wave 3 of the higher degree or wave 5 of the lower degree. So wave 3 and wave 5, I've identified it as this level here. You can start to use extension targets as potential target points, right? This is one of Daniel's favorite levels over here.
Yeah.
The exit.
I like to go out on the 1414.
Yeah.
Before the 161, that's the most popular one, because there is a lot of robots in the market. So I'd rather to get out earlier, even if actually sometimes the 161 is perfect. I prefer to get exit earlier than late, because sometimes it doesn't hit the 161 and just you're wasting the whole profit off. Yeah.
Look at the accuracy of these exits. Look where market reversed at these Fibonacci levels. Look at that accuracy. That's not an accident.
It's just mathematics.